Outside of Greeley, Colorado, in Weld County, are two interesting historical sites. One is Missile Site Park, and the other is POW Camp 202. In 1965, the Atlas E intercontinental ballistic missile sites were decommissioned in Colorado, and the missiles removed in 1965. The facilities were sold to public and private owners. Two of the sites are used for commercial purposes. One is being converted into a residence. Another is covered with soil and is owned by the U.S. Forest Service. And one has become the Weld County Missile Park and is also used for Weld County storage. That was Atlas number 12. At Missile Site Park outside of Greeley, this site is the former site of Atlas 12 that was constructed in 1961. The Francis C. Warren Air Force Base was in command of this missile site. This particular missile site was deactivated in 1965 and was turned over to Weld County. You can visit the site and have a picnic. But tours inside the buried facility are no longer provided. German prisoner of war Camp 202 was in operation from 1944 to 1946. These pillars mark the spot where 2,000 German soldiers were incarcerated for security reasons in the last years of World War II. The first occupants of this 320-acre camp, surrounded by tall barbed-wired fences, were German-Austrian prisoners captured during the African campaign directed by General Rommel. One prisoner at Camp 202 was Rommel's personal mechanic. 25% of the prisoners spoke English and were placed in jobs according to their abilities and professions. To reduce the shortage of agricultural laborers, many 202 POWs worked on Weld County farms in the sugar beet fields. 150 to 200 American personnel were staffed at Camp 202.